Alright guys, today we're going to learn the first part of our password. The first part of our password is our first initial and our last initial. So again, we're going to follow that same process. You're going to watch me do it in courtesy mode, then you're going to do it with me in technology mode, and then you're going to try it on your own in technology mode. Remember teachers, you can stop the video at any point if you need your class to catch up. Okay, so your first initial is the very first letter of your first name. Your last initial is the first letter of your last name. So if my name was Bob Smith, okay, my initials would be B like Bob and S like Smith. If my name was Tim Alice, my initials would be T-A, T like Tim and A like Alice. Okay, let's look at one more. If my name was Sue Harper, my initials would be S like Sue and H like Harper. So my initials would be SH. Okay, so now we're going to go ahead and try to put that into our website. Okay, I'm going to exit all the way out. I'm going to go ahead and open up my learning.com. Again, you're watching me right now in courtesy mode. So I'm going to type my first initial, my last name, my number that's unique just to me. I'm going to type my @ symbol by holding down the shift key and hitting the number 2. I'm going to type my DeKalb Central, so I'm going to say my chant in my mind. I'm going to say DeKalbCentral, DeKalb Central. Then I'm going to put my dot by clicking or hitting that key that has the alligator mouth opening to the left. And then net, N-E-T. Okay, now I can type my first initial and my last initial. You'll notice when I type that I can't see what I'm typing. Okay, sometimes, not always, but sometimes you'll get a little symbol over here that's like a ball with a half circle above it. If you click on that symbol, you'll be able to see what you've typed, but that doesn't always appear. Okay, so if you're not sure if you typed it correctly, go ahead and finish typing your whole username and password, and then once you hit login, you'll get an error if it's incorrect. Okay, so now we're going to go to technology mode and do those steps together. So again, I'm going to find my learning.com icon on my desktop. I'm going to type my first initial, my last name, my number that's unique just to me. I'm going to make my @ symbol by holding down the shift key and hitting the number 2. I'm going to type my DeKalb Central, so I'm going to say my chant to myself. I'm going to say DeKalbCentral, DeKalb Central. Now I'm going to type my dot by hitting the key that has the alligator mouth pointing to the left, .net. Then I'm going to come down here and click on that password box and type my first initial, which again is the first letter of my first name, and my last initial, which is the first letter of my last name. Great job. Now I want you to exit all the way out and try those steps on your own. Thanks so much.